Alright everyone, you don't know, say the BUJU concert a go on the night and it hot. You see me I say to you, so watch what I go on now. So me I say, I go show you some little update. I show you from, from in the day. Like this clip where you see right now from in the day when everything is set up in the stadium and is set for people to come in and come enjoy themselves. So me I say to you, so not really watch the part because this is just the empty stadium at the time. Now this is the next clip where you go see at the clip where it show you when BUJU rehearse. You see me I say to you that one time dust, things are come down. You see me I say to you. So when you take a look on that one here and observe, just listen to the gargamel I do later on.
A Jamaican parentage who resides in London. Let's hear it respect and dance. That mercy, hold the break. You see your body right now. You must be running into your chance fast. Now you see your body right now. You must be running. That's it. We are going to the palace for women. They are going to from a human ball. We need to women and man.
The next piece I want to look on is just a quick preview for see how the stadium look already, from earlier on when people are ram it up, you see me? Ram up the party. Take a look and observe.
Because they work very hard to get us inside this venue today, and people are working on all right now. So once again, make some noise for the officers of Jamaica and the security team here for making this happen. See? And a whole lot more people have to bring up. So let's begin to.
Alright, well, you don't know, with the whole copywriting and so forth, we can't really play the song we're playing in the background. You see me I say? But as always, just stay tuned. I'm going to bring a quick update what go on in the parties and everything. You see me I say? Later on, you don't do the things set already. You see me I say? But in the meanwhile, if you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. You don't know the things set, say my name Skilla, and that way just see a Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. So. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.